The third product on our list is the FLIR MR160. Are you tired of using those regular moisture meters in the market that do not guarantee a high level of accuracy? An efficient moisture meter like the FLIR is what you need, as it offers a lasting solution to the problems associated with trying to work with damp building materials. Unlike the first two moisture meters we have reviewed, this third product has a built-in thermal imager that shows the image of the area it's scanning. We liked that this moisture meter is non-destructive. It has an integrated pinless sensor that does not need to penetrate any material before taking an accurate reading. When it comes to versatility, this moisture meter is leading the competition as it does not take thermal images, but can store up to 9,999 of them. Moreover, its battery is efficient and can last for about 18 hours of continuous usage, so you don't have to stop a day's work just because of a low battery. We also like that the FLIR is portable. You can easily store it in a bag when going to work. Its size also ensures that it doesn't take excess storage space. Despite its small size, this moisture meter is one of the toughest in the market. Its pros are: it has a 10-year thermal detector warranty, it has the built-in color moisture alert, and it is very versatile. However, it will not work on materials like fiberglass. The FLIR MR160 is a modified and versatile moisture meter built to take thermal images while taking accurate readings.